I didn't expect that this is how they celebrate monk's ordination here in Thailand. As we cycle the south of Thailand, we stop at this beautiful temple of Wat Khao Deng and witness how they celebrate monk's ordination. Ayan, so nasa likod natin ngayon yung celebration na ginaganap dahil may bagong monk daw na i-dedicate ngayon, and dito tayo ngayon sa Wat Khao Deng Temple. So itong nasa likod ko ngayon, ayan yung celebration na ginagawa nila, kung saan nagsasayawan sila and masaya sila kasi may bagong monk na i-declare or i-dedicate dito sa ating temple. And later on, we will join them para ma-experience natin yung celebration ng pagdededicate ng monk as Buddhist. Ginaganap yung pagdiriwang o celebration ng pagtatalaga, officially magiging monk na yung isa sa mga nandito ngayon. Kaya naman, nagdiriwang sila dito mismo sa temple, Buddhist temple na to, ayan, dito. Sa isa sa pinakamagandang temple na nakita namin. And yeah, so we're just so lucky na dito tayo ngayon na nagdiriwang kasama nila. Kung makikita ninyo, it's not just part of their religious beliefs but also part of their culture since they are mostly Buddhist. And kung makikita nyo, nagsasayawan sila, nagkakantahan. So usual celebration na ginagawa ng mga tao. Ayan. So, tatry natin maki-join sa kanila. Ayan, so try natin sa kanila, maki-blend sa ginagawa nilang celebration. Ayan, so after natin makisayaw doon, makikanta, after nun meron pa kain dito, may palibreng food as part of their celebration na tinatalaga or may dinededicate na monk. So makikikain tayo dito, right? We're gonna eat, right? We're gonna join us. So they invited us to eat after we celebrate upstairs, do the dancing and singing. Wow. Wow, kobkon ka. This? Ayan, so after natin makiselebrate ng kantahan sayawan, ayan na, may palibre na tayong pagkain. Meron tayong free meal as part of their celebration. So let's eat! It's hot. Ngayon, kumakain na tayo ng noodles after natin makiselebrate sa kanila. And super sarap ng noodles nila. Oh, masasabi ko na katulad lang din sa atin yung part of celebration nila, usual birthday. Ang kinaibahan lang dito sa Buddhist temple, paikot-ikot sila, paulit-ulit sila na sumasayaw and kumakanta, singing and dancing for how many hours? Like, paikot dito sa temple sa taas.